Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka Tnat Forest and Environment, Dangshen kala persang ban wanra yuki technology ki bathamai ban Ïada na ka jingsha wiang ding ki Khlaw ki patam, hakeleng jong ka jilla, ka bajuan ra ya ka jingjulor jong ki ding ki se, ki sintew ki skun, bat ki Jingthang ki baju ha Khlaw, bat kumjo ru ka jingjulor jong ki dawai ken bat, ki balong ki mar ba kordor na ka benta ka kot ka khia jong ukhon benreu. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor u menteri jong ka ni ka Tnat u James PK Sangma ulaong baka don kam ya ka jingit lang jong ki paj ba ha ka bakidai ban don ye ka mensem jingkit khle da ka bakier na ka ba wiang ding dusman ye ki Khlaw ki patam ki babo jing maru ya ki yeng ki sem khamtam hakum gani ka por baka maryang kadang terkhong.
Forest fires are they are very dangerous, for our biodiversity and for our very very sensitive ecosystem that we have, because forest fires are not just about trees which get affected. Very importantly, the microorganisms, the insect life, the shrubs that are there, these play a very important role in the ecosystem of any forest. These are the victims that we end up destroying because of these forest fires. Therefore, we are urging people to be more responsible. Many forest fires are actually started because of irresponsible behavior of people. They take a walk in the forest, they light a bidi or a cigarette, and then they very casually throw it, and it once a fire catches, because of the fact that the ground is so dry right now, it spreads very very fast. Our manpower is stretched thin in the forest department, and to douse such kind of fires is a huge challenge. So we have to appeal to the people that please be responsible. This is very irresponsible behavior on part of certain individuals who very casually treat forests like that. And we are also, of course, setting up many interventions by the use of technology in the forest department through separate funding, be it from the 15th Finance Commission or be it through CAMPA, that we want to bring in certain technology that will be able to at least detect such kind of fires at the nascent stage, and maybe have some kind of interventions whereby we can restrict it to a certain space and then douse that fire, because if this fire spreads to the entire forest, it is impossible to put it out there. Good idea. However, in terms of how practical it will be, that is a question that remains, because these forests are protected forests. It's not that you can have civilians roaming all over the forest, and that's probably something that we try to avoid as much as possible, because any kind of encroachment or people moving through this forest is something that's rather more harmful and detrimental. But having said that, I think it is the responsibility of each and every citizen to make sure that we spread awareness, we educate people about such kind of behavior, by which we can make sure that people don't act irresponsibly in this manner. But to have community policing, well, if it is voluntary and if people come forward and do that, then yes, we will definitely explore such kind of things. But it's easier said than done. It's a challenging thing.